Hey y'all, how are you? Rosalind Marie, your financial wellness and birth coach. And today I wanted to touch on your money mind, right? We are at a time of the year where we're about to close it out. This is, um, let's say, end of the year eve, right? The month of end of the year. This is a time where you want to be able to take an inventory of your year. And that's in multiple ways. But today we're going to talk about it from a financial standpoint, from a money standpoint. But I want you to just start here. Based on where you are today financially, has everything to do with what you already put in place. It has been shared with me that you have to give your money an assignment because it has flow and it has energy, and you don't want it to stay in the same place. You actually want it to grow. That, my friend, is called mindset. So today we're talking about your money mindset, which usually starts with your money story. Your money story is about where you began with money. Who taught you first about money, where you started, will definitely affect where you are today and where you're planning to go, right? And so if you're someone who was taught to, you're a saver, nothing is wrong with saving, but many people are taught to save in a basic bank account. Well, you want to take an inventory of that because it's great because it's a fixed account where you could put money into your bank account and for the most part, you can go back and get it because most banks are FDIC insured, right? So they insure you up to about, I think it's $250,000. However, there are multiple places that you can put your money so that your money could work for you, right? I'm going to say it again. There are multiple places where you can put your money, where your money can work for you instead of the institution that you place it with, right? And so while we're not going to get into that today, there are definitely some tools that I can share with you so that you know where you can put your money so that they can work for you. But I'm going to go back to the money mind because I was also taught that money takes on the attributes of the person that has it. I'm rocking my Get Financially Fit shirt today. See, because it starts with your mind. Where you start is usually where you end unless you do something and put something in place. So I want you to take an inventory of your money from the beginning of the year through now, which is we're going towards the end of the year, so that you can see, have you put your money on alert, right? Have you put your money where you wanted to put it in? If not, I just want to say, let's take the time to do it, right? Let's strategize even before the year closes out, even so that as you're looking forward to the year coming in front of you, where are you putting it? Are you putting it again? Do you have a fund set aside in the event that something happens that is not in your control? Well, today, friends, I'm going to give you some specific solutions and strategies. I'm talking about my new book, which is called Design Your Wealth Mindset. And I have partnered with some amazing financial professionals, and we have all put our heart, mind, and soul into this book. It is called Design Your Wealth Mindset. You can definitely get it on Amazon. We actually have the workbook version that will walk you through specific steps. We talk about your money story. We talk about going from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset. We talk about getting money smart. What does it mean to get money smart? Making better decisions. We talk about getting sexy financially, right? Not putting all your money in the things on the outside, but making sure that you also invest in the inside. We talk about business ownership, right? Taking control of what you want in your life so that, guess what? You don't necessarily have to report when they tell you to report, but you can go and plan so okay, I'm planning to make this investment, or I want to purchase this property, or I want to travel here. As a business owner, you can put that strategy in place so that it can work in your favor, right? You could do that working for someone as well, because that, business ownership is not always made for everyone, but you still have to give that money that comes in every 2 weeks or every month or whatever, every week. You have to give it an assignment. Have you given your money an assignment? Okay. And then lastly, we close that book out with talking about that big P, procrastination, that limits us from giving that money an assignment, or instills fear in us because we're not sure, we're not clear on what we need to do and where we need to place it. That's where I come in. As a financial professional, I help families establish financial plans from the beginning. When you first have children, or even before you have children, putting those plans in place so you can already be legacy minded. Remember, we talked about mindset. And so we help you strategize so that your children in the future won't have to suffer. In the event that something happens to you, you can actually dive into your financial pools of money and pull them so that you can use it to your advantage. You won't have to deal with credit cards or putting a GoFundMe up or asking other people for help. You already have that in place because you've done what? Giving your money an assignment, right? And so we take you from the beginning of your life through your life. As your money comes in and it increases, we give it an assignment so it can grow on your behalf and in your favor. And we take you all the way through and beyond retirement, so you don't have to be worried and concerned, and you can have financial peace of mind. And so make sure, I'm going to share the book with you. We are the Design Your Wealth Mindset crew. As I mentioned, the exit strategist, we actually would come and provide financial seminars or webinars for you and your clients, your family members. We have resources for all of you all, no matter where you are in your life. And I just want to leave you with this. It is not too late. You can start today, but you want to make sure that you have proper information so that, again, you don't go backwards, but you go forwards with your money mind. Okay. And so, as my sign back there says, pray more, worry less. Well, if you put that financial plan in place and you give your money an assignment, you will not have to worry. I promise you. So thanks for joining me. I appreciate you. Feel free to reach out to me. You can definitely put any questions below if you do have specific questions on how to kind of shift that money mindset and really put yourself in a position to win financially. And you can also get that book. Go to Amazon.com so that you can get that new book fresh off the presses, and it will speak to you. I promise. It's an easy read, and we dive into a lot of the concepts that I talked about. Okay. So feel free to purchase this book for your friends, for your family. We got the holiday time coming up. We got New Year's coming up, right? You can pull in, the people that will hold you accountable so that we can shift from where we are today to where we want to be. So make sure that you cop that book. Thank you for joining me, and be well. All right. Take care. Have an amazing day, and love on yourself. All right. All right. Take care now.